All right, everybody, this is Dustin's Customs, and I'm just gonna do an unboxing. This right here is Amazon Choice Relay. Here is the what they look like. I say it's waterproof, pretty heavy gauge wire, 30-40 amp relays. So fan, I'm probably have to get more for the door locks and the windows. I probably need another 2 packs of these relays if I had to guess to do what I want to do. And then there's this box right here. I'm going to do an unboxing. I hope everything is in this box that I wish for. Like everyone says, it is not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. So, flip it over. There's that. And what does this say? Boom! Heck yeah! Can't answer. So, where do you open this? This is a Holley Terminator unboxing. There's tape right there. So we will cut this tape. It's hard to do with one hand. And yes, that works. More tape. Tape along this side. There's that. There is wires in here, so I guess you want to be careful. Look at that. My very first standalone ECU. These relays actually have smaller wires than these over here, but what relay did they use? Probably whatever they can get, really. So this is probably the main harness. That's, if I had to guess, that's fuel pump relay, fuel pump signal wire that you would send to a relay. I also have some nice fuse blocks and ground blocks and bulkhead fittings. Oh, the loom, it's just twist loom. It could have been done a little tighter. I might tighten it up a hair. I am MECP certified in wiring, so I learned at a very young age everything there is about wiring. Somewhere I have my book I was going to show everybody. This maybe injector harness. Yep, it says right there, injector harness. So main harness, injector harness. This is probably the main power. If I had to guess, there's 2 reds going to that fuse and then that power. What does this say? 2 battery. So there's your main. Here is what is this? The NKG. I forgot. This is a Terminator. So it's the Bosch. I think this is one everyone has problems with, and we'll see. I'm hoping it comes with the bung. It does. So here's the weld-in bung that we will be TIG welding in. And for the vacuum or boost reference right there. It's that. This is probably your inputs and outputs, I would guess. I think there's 4 total or 8 wires. Maybe there's 8 total. I forget. 4 or 8. I think it's 4. Maybe it's 8. And here is the 3.5-inch touch screen. And I don't know, is this an adapter harness for an O2 or MAF? Kind of looks like a MAF, or I'm not quite sure what that is. Doesn't say. It says made in the USA though. And then here is the computer itself. It's in the same kind of box deal right there. Hang on. Let's see if we can get that angle. Okay. Hopefully we can open that. Using my belly. Hold it open. There we go. My precious. Looky there. It is light. Oof. God, the factory computer. It is just a Terminator X. I literally called them 2 days ago and said, you know what? Just in case I ever want to run a 4L60 or 80E, can I switch it to a different one? And they're like, oh, it's too late to switch it now. You can send it back and then get the Terminator X Max. I don't know why. I was like, oh, I'm never going to run, you know, a lockup converter style transmission. I'm going to run a 400 or a power glide or a manual. I don't need it. Here's those dreaded lights that everyone talks about. It is light. It's got a little weight to it. Probably weighs a pound. So power, and then your control, the little blue deal is your boost reference or vacuum. Comes with one old sticker. We're gonna wear that loud and proud. And here's the instruction book that I'm gonna have to learn. Read it. I'm actually gonna read this whole deal. I'm gonna try to learn this in and out. Color, man, that's kind of nice. Shows you what every plug is. Probably has a pinout diagram, if I had to guess. I remember when I used to wire police cars, we had the pinout tools to change the pins, because sometimes you would change the way the light bars would go and you'd have to repin things. So I learned at a young age. I think I was 19 when 18 or 19 when I got certified in electronics, mobile electronics. And then I started repinning things around the same ear. And it's pretty nice instructions though. I mean, it's full color. So turbo, that's what we're doing, turbo. Speaking of turbo, so that's that. That's everything it comes with. That is the unboxing. A little quick update. I might send that to get built here. Got this spruced up, cleaned up. Just got to do a little, look at that. Look at that spider. Oh, it stuck to me. Yuck. Clean that up, clean that up. I did this the other day. Clean those up to put V-bands on both of them. They're both that way. I did both of them. I made a TikTok. I used my horizontal bandsaw for the first time. We raced today, and we got third place, which I guess was all right. You know, kids are 100 pounds lighter than her. I won't let that go. Everyone's lighter. It's crazy how they do the classes for that. And look at that. I already dropped my Terminator X. So I'm going to play on this for a little bit, and I'm pretty psyched. Put all this back in the box the way it was. Tomorrow I'll start wiring up the car. I know I got this engine torn apart and I was gonna build it sloppy style. I actually bought a, I gotta go buy it, but it's there for the, I'm going to get it. I'm getting a 5.3 Chevy Suburban. I think it's a 2004 Chevy Suburban. And it's the motor, it runs and drives 4L60, of course. And that's why I called, because I'm buying the Suburban. And it has a 4L60, and I'm like, man, I could have this car going so fast, you know? I could just literally have this car going. All I would need is a drive shaft, and it would be drivable, you know? But I think we'll just stick with it. This transmission is a rebuilt transmission. It's a little dirty. So one step closer. But I guess we'll get that running engine. I'll put this one together. I'm still going to put this together. And maybe I'm build this one a little stronger and put the running engine in. Push around 500 horsepower at the 400. And then slowly upgrade the car over time is kind of what I was thinking, just upgrade the car over time. Pretty nice, pretty nice. It's gonna be sick. Kind of wish that these plugs that they ran loom. I might still do it. I'm kind of a wiring fanatic when it comes to anything wiring. So I might clean this up a little bit. I don't know. First, I'm going to put it in there, see what I got, and then go from there. This main harness, quite a bit. O2, my first wideband since the 2000s. I had a GST. I think it was a GST Eclipse. So, pretty neat. Pretty cool instructions. Like I said, I got this, and in my house, I got the post and 2 blocks, and I'm going to put everything on switches. I'm literally going to put the brake on a switch, the lights on a switch, the doors on a switch, windows. So I'm going to use all glass except the front windshield. The front windshield will probably be Lexon. I'm not quite sure. That's kind of the deal. So tomorrow I'll probably clean my shop up. There's just so much stuff. And then start wiring this. And I need to make some space. This has been Dustin's Customs, and I thought you guys might enjoy that unboxing. So I went with EV6 injectors. I'm not sure. I'm kind of curious. I forgot what style injector these were. Let's take a look. Been sitting for a while. How do you open this deal? I forgot what these are. So, is that EV6? It'd be funny if I ordered the wrong thing. Okay, so I think I did okay. And I ordered the right harness. I was kind of wondering. It's hard to do with one hand, but clips right in. Good to go. Got my injectors. All right, this has been Dustin's Customs. I want to thank you for watching. Hopefully we get this going soon. Bye.